Calculating concrete for a circular column requires precise math, specifically the dry volume factor. Take a standard column blueprint, 0.3 meters wide and 3 meters tall. First, we calculate the physical space the poured concrete fills, known as the wet volume. Using pi times radius squared times height, our example needs 0.212 cubic meters. But here's the trap. Adding water makes dry powder and gravel shrink and compress together, so the final wet column is actually smaller than the raw materials you need. To fix this, we add a 5% waste buffer and multiply by the 1.54 dry volume factor. This expands the cylinder to reveal the true volume of unmixed ingredients required, 0.342 cubic meters. Next, break that down using a standard M20 concrete recipe. We split that total volume into 5.5 proportional parts: cement, sand, and aggregate. Divide your dry volume by 5.5 and multiply by 1 part cement. Process that through cement's standard density, and you need exactly 2 bags. Apply the same math for your 1.5 parts sand and 3 parts aggregate. So let's go back to that exact 3-meter circular concrete column from your original starting blueprint. You now have the exact material breakdown to mix it, pour it, and build it perfectly on the very first try.